In this tech-driven world, where shopping for almost everything is moving online, it is critical to understand what your customers want, when they want, and where they want. This is an opportunity for the retail industry to shift from their traditional ways to focus more on relationship building with customers. It also resolves their pain points of dropping profits. How does one do this? Enter digital transformation. Slide Team brings you a content-ready digital transformation in retail industry PowerPoint presentation to help you design innovative, tech-driven processes for seamless customer experience. Like every other industry, digital transformation has permeated into retail as well to help create a wow experience, be it in-store or online. Better communication, efficient operations, change in customer preferences and seamless shopping experience are major reasons for the growth of digital transformation in retailing. As per the McKinsey reports, there is a significant increase of 15 to 40% in online channels, indicating the need of effective omnichannel execution. Audi and Starbucks are prominent case studies quoted in our presentation, where it worked. Use this pre-designed digital transformation in retail industry PPT template to revolutionize your business. In Pointers for the Future, augmented reality will become a major tool on how customers buy in retail. According to a study, 5 of 10 people claim that AR makes shopping fun, interesting, and saves time. Higher conversion rates are also seen in retail industries that have started using AR. Another innovation. Machine learning assists retailers in accurate anticipation of demand and provides unmatched customer convenience. Companies like Nike, IKEA, L'Oreal are dominating the market with digitization. If you also want to grow sales 50x in retail, going digital is the only option.